Welcome to the Ferguslie Rewind for the Scotrail Class 320 drags that would take place over the course of 2020 and 2021. This video is a compilation of both drag and light local movements operated by the Rail Operations Group on behalf of Scotrail, taking 320s from Yoker to Kilmarnock for safety overhaul of doors, brakes and pantographs, as well as a repaint. So with no further ado, let's get right into the video. So my first catch of the drag would be on the 2nd of March 2020, and it would be under 5Q08, the 1604 Yoker to Kilmarnock Bodyton Depot with 57312, which would be the most common local on the drag, taking 32315, which was the second 320 to go for refurb. Then during the first lockdown, the refurbs would push on. This is now the 19th of April and we see 57301 working a diverted OS08 Leicester LIP to Kilmarnock Bodyton Depot. This is of course the light loco for the 320s that would run the next day. This is seen at Johnstone. Then on the day after, on the 20th, it would be off to Ferguslie Park where we would see 57301 dragging 32315 back from refurb, and it would be 5Q72 Yoker. This would be one of 57301's last runs before going into storage. Then going to the 22nd of May, the usual 57312 would return to run the 5Q07 from Kilmarnock to Yoker with 32302 back from refurb. This is Howwood. Then I would not see the drag again until the next year in 2021, and it's to the month of January on the 11th to see the usual 57312 with 5Q07 to Yoker from Kilmarnock, 32302 being dragged back from refurb. Then at the time, the third new loco would go on the move on the 8th of March. 57305 would work the 5Q07 with 32301 back from Kilmarnock to Yoker. This is Johnstone Station. And then for the first time in my sightings of the drag, a Class 37 would appear on the 5th of April, being 37884, seen here at Paisley Gilmour Street with 320. Then seen again here at Jordanhill. Then after dumping 320-320 at Yoker, it would then run 5Q08 Yoker to Kilmarnock Bonington Depot with 320-307. And then apparently getting bowled by another train was the least of my concerns, as demonstrated here at Kilwinning. Then finally this is it, pulling out of Barassie Yard after running round to head back off to Kilmarnock. Then on by far the rainiest day of the drags, on the 3rd of May, 37884 gets the honours again to take 32322 back to Yoker. Then this was the 25th of July and 37800 can be seen rolling to a stop at Kilmarnock, running OS08 Leicester to Kilmarnock light loco, getting ready for the drags the next day. Then on the 26th, 37800 would run as usual till here at Barassie, when the points in the yard would lock, making this my only catch of 800 on the entirety of the duration of the 320 drags. Then heading to a beautiful day down the Ayrshire coast on the 25th of August, 37884 would be getting the honours to run 32317 back to Kilmarnock. This is yet another day where the drag would cause delays. There would be signalling failure caused by a drag at Shields Junction. This is it passing Gailes around 56 minutes late. Then after running around at Barassie DGL, this would be it heading back to Kilmarnock. Then on the 20th September, I'd be back to the usual 57312, so here it is at Paisley under the usual 5Q07 with 32317 back to Yoker. Then this is it at Jordanhill. Then at Hyndland, 57.312 would return with 323.10 under the usual path. Then finally I'd see the drag for my last time on the 18th of October, where the last new loco 57.310 would take 323.10 back from Kilmarnock to Yoker under the usual 5Q07. This is Paisley Gilmour Street. And then on this day, 323.09 was supposed to go back to Kilmarnock, however it was out in service, so due to this was the last time I would see the drag. This is seen at Exposition Centre.